Yep, I'm just white. I'm trying to see if it's just the lighting, but I think it's just my face. Okay, so now that craziness is away. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know who I am, my name is Debbie, and today I got a new backdrop, which means new makeup is going on this face. So today I decided, since I got the black glittery backdrop, I'm going to do a black glittery eye, as you do. So first I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Ultra Strobe Cream and put that all around my face. Next, I'm going to take the medium brown this way. Next, I'm going to take the medium brown this way and put that round my eyebrows to fill them in. And I literally just take the tiniest bit of this product, just so it just fills them in instead of drawing them on, basically. Next up is the PLouise base, which is in Rumour shade 2. I'm going to place that all around my eyelids and just pat that into place using my Zoeva soft concealer brush, which is a 114. Or is it? It's a 144, not a 114. With this concealer, it is best to pat it on just so then it sets. Instead of using a powder to set it, you're just using the tapping motion to set it. Okay, okay, okay. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. On with the PLouise palette, which is the Secret Sinner palette, and I'm going to go in with the 3 browns which are in this, which are these 3: Fling, Obsession and Love Struck. Luxe Petite Crease Brush, and it is a Zoeva 231 brush, and then go in with Obsession. And I like to pat the product on. I just think it sits better on the base whenever you do that. Now taking another blending brush, which is the Luxe Soft Definer brush 227 Zoeva again, I'm going in with the Fling. I'm just gently going over the edges you've just blended up. Now with a bullet brush, which is a Kira Daily bullet brush, I'm going in with the Love Struck and just placing that all over my eyes and patting that in, and then gently blending up again. Now I like to go in with those 3 colours again until I've got the nice blend and nice colour all over. Now whenever you have got those 3 colours nicely layered up, you can actually stop here and just put on a bit of eyeliner and then you're good to go, really. But because I'm a bit extra, I'm gonna put on glitter. So I'm going to go in with this Ultra Fine Festival glitter, and it is super sparkly and I just love it. I just dropped it. Oh, this is going to be everywhere now. I'm just going to lift that off the table. Right on your transition colour, I'm just going to pat on some of the sparkles. And then I'm going to take some eyelash glue, and I just put this on the back of my hand and a little brush and just pat that on my eyelid close to my lash line, and then take up that glitter and pat that on. Black sparkles, yay! And the reason why I put on the dry layer of glitter first, right around the transition shade, is just so then whenever you're packing on the glitter, the full lid, then it gradually kind of goes from like a really packed glitter until just a sparse amount of glitter. So the fade is there. Now I'm going to deepen up these eyes a wee bit more and go in with that Love Struck again and just colour in. I'm just colouring in today. Okay, so I am going to go off and do this camera. Okay, hi. I am going to go off and do this eye off camera and then come back and do my face. See you in a minute. Well, not really a minute because it doesn't take a minute just to do that. Like, there's no point in that. So now taking my trusty L'Oreal TrueMatch foundation and I'm going to stick that all around my face. Just using the Real Techniques face brush, and I'm just patting that on again and blending out. I think that's like my main tip, just pat and blend it. That's how I do makeup. So taking the usual Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and going in with these two shades for the contour, this for the highlight and this for the blusher. So I just put the darkest shades here and then the second darkest all around my face. And then the lightest shade right under my eyes. And just pat that in as usual. See what I mean? I just pat everything in and blend it. And then I always take my finger with this bit and just do like a little Nike sort of tick. Just do it. You can do it. Then take my foundation brush and just blend that in. I always start off with the chin bit first and then onto the forehead. And then cheeks. And just blend those two colours in. Now for the RCMA No Colour Powder and putting that everywhere, everywhere. Like, I want to be matte with this brush. And if you are new here, then I always go on and do lips first before I do any bronzing or blusher, just so then we know how much to put on, because I always find that whenever I done everything else first and then done my lips, I would end up having to go in and put more on because I didn't put enough on, because I didn't know how much the lips would count into the fact of the bronzer. If that makes sense, probably not, but you'll see what I mean. So first I'm taking the Lasting Finish Rimmel Lip Liner. It is in Cappicino, and lining my lips. Then I'm taking the Barry M Matte Me Up, and I like this. Bronzer. Using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. It is one of my favourites and I use this for contour I just pat that on and then blend up. And then for a wee bit more bronzer, I'm going in with the MAC Give Me Sun and just swirling that about. This is the only thing I don't really like to pack on. I just like to brush it over everywhere just so it's not too in your face. Just a nice little wash of colour. Yes, honey. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette and I'm just gonna bronze. No, I'm not gonna bronze. I'm just gonna put that right here and look beautiful. I love, 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 love highlighter. I like to throw a wee bit there. And a bit on my shoulders. So why not? Okay, so that is me done with this sparkly, glittery party look. And I hope you have liked it. If you have, then please subscribe to my channel. I would really, really, really love to get 1,000 followers. Not followers, subscribers before 2019. I'm away. Bye. Take an exit. Oh no, I'm back. Oh.